Before we start collecting our data, we'll set up the label that we're going to collect, which is jab. We're also going to go ahead and specify the metadata for this capture. So I'm going to go ahead and fill that in for me. And so when this file is collected, all the metadata that we set here will be associated with it. So now we're going to go ahead and connect to the sensor, and this is going to configure the sensor with the properties that are part of the capture configuration. So now you can see the sensor data is streaming, and we hit begin record. Now I'm going to go ahead and take a couple jabs just so we can collect some sample data, and you can see me in the top right and then the accelerometer and gyroscope data streaming along into the data capture lab. When you're finished capturing data, you hit stop recording. At this point, the data is saved locally and uploaded to the cloud. When it's in the cloud, anyone that's on your team and has access to the project will now be able to sync up with your data set.